Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how you can remove it then. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the accounts and backup, manage accounts, tap add account, then select Google. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then select if you want to enable Google backup feature, like if you want to just tap accept, if you don't want to disable switcher here and tap accept. An account will be added. So if you want to remove this account, select it here and tap remove account and then confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.